Hello, Ocean, my old friend. I'm sorry y'all had to hear me sing. But here we are. And where we at? Santa Maria del Mar in Havana. Well, outside of East Havana at the beach with my fabulous student. Enjoying this beautiful day. Eso! James! No, gracias, señora. Sorry about my car. I'm here at Santa Maria Beach, Santa Maria del Mar in Havana, and as you can see, the flag is red, which means don't swim. Here with the students. I did get in the water, but not very far, and maybe up to my thighs. And I did jump in a little bit, but not very deep. I've had a glorious day. I'm gonna miss this.
Persona. ¿Qué tal? Muy bien.
Mohammed speaks Spanish now.
I know.
Él habla español. I would have missed this. There you go. Perfect. I literally just spent like the most glorious day in the ocean. Here in Santa Maria del Mar Beach, near about 20 minutes outside of Havana. The waves are a little bigger than I would like them to be, but this breeze is fantastic. It's hot but not humid. My students are having a fabulous time. They have swum, that's how you say that. They have swum and danced, and the music teacher over there jammed with a band again. And we looked for sea glass and we walked.